Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for fashion and clothing business, easy and quick. As we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. So first you have to build with Wix editor, so click here. Okay, so here you can choose if you wanna start the shot with AI. You can set up your website with AI or set up without AI. So I'm gonna set up without it. Enter here your the site, the business type, fashion and clothing. Okay, you can choose if you wanna start a boutique or online fashion shop. So this is depends on your business. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Enter your business name. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. What would you like to sell? Physical product. And where would you like to sell? So you can choose where would you like to sell, online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media. Now let's move on, continue to dashboard. So now you can go and design your site. Okay, so here you can how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So I'm gonna go with here from this, get started from this. So let's get started. Okay, so here you can enter the logo and the name, the email, the address and the phone, and add the social link. And after this, continue, choose pick a theme you like. So pick a theme match your business for the fashion and clothing. So you can choose something that attracts your customers to your website. Okay, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now let's move on. Okay, so here you can pick your favorite homepage design, your favorite theme or template, whatever you like. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so here you can easily customize your colors and the image and the themes. So here you can add pages to your site. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so now go to the editor. So as you see here, this is your homepage. Here we're gonna set up your website. So first you can add elements from here if you wanna design the details, so like the theme text, the image and the buttons, the decorative, the galleries, the store, the payments. All this simple stuff is important to make your site looks better and attractive. Okay, so now let's move on. Okay, so as you see here, this is the header, so you can if you want to edit it, go here, go quick edit, and you can change the background. You can manage the horizontal menu. Now let's move on. The next section. quick edit, and here you can change the background. You can change the image also if you want, the title, the paragraph, and the bottom. So if you want to change the color, you can go here and choose the favorite color. Okay. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section, and here you can select what kind of sections you want to add: contact section, featured, about, gallery, whatever you like. Okay. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on to the product section. Okay, so as you see here, you have to create your product. So go back here. So you can delete this products here. And now you can add the new product, physical product. So here you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos, the name of your product, the description. You can customize here the prices options, and you can also manage the inventory in the shipping section. So that's it. After this, you can save this place and can go back and complete here the design of this section here. Okay, now let's move on the next section. So as you see here, the subscribe form, you can add the title and the email file, the title, and you can add the paragraph. Also, if you want to change the paragraph, just from here you can generate another text. Okay, so let's move on. Here the services sections, so nothing special here, just the same thing as normal. So you can add your own paragraph. You can generate a paragraph with the AI. Okay, if you want to generate the paragraph, just go here and generate another one. So you can describe here what this paragraph is about, and here you can create the text. Okay, just like this. Now let's move on. So here this is like the contact section. Okay, so here you can change the title, the hours, the daily hours, and the 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 business location here. Now let's move on to the next section. So nothing special here. This is the same thing as normal. You can add the title and the paragraph, and also you can change the color in the background. That's it. And this is the last section. You can enter here just the company name for the copyright. Okay, and that's it. After you're done, you can just publish your website. So after now your website will be published, you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.